In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude AI to Jira. If you want Claude to work more smoothly with your Jira-related workflow, this setup is a great place to start. In this walkthrough, we'll be connecting Claude through the available connector options inside the settings area. The process is simple, but it helps to move carefully so you can spot the right menu items without confusion. To begin, open Claude and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Go ahead and click your profile to open the account menu. This is where Claude keeps personal options, workspace controls, and configuration settings, so it's the starting point for most integrations. Once that menu opens, click on Settings. This will take you into the main settings page, where you can adjust how Claude works and manage connected tools. If you don't immediately see the section you need, don't worry. The settings area usually has multiple categories, and we're heading into the one specifically meant for integrations. From there, click on Connectors. This section is where Claude lets you manage external connections and add tools that can expand what it can access and help you do. Since Jira is part of the Atlassian ecosystem, this is the correct area to continue the setup. Inside the Connectors section, click on Add. This opens the option to bring in a new connector. Think of this as telling Claude that you want to link it to another service. It's a small step, but it leads to the full connector library. Next, click on Browse Connectors. This will show you the available integrations you can connect to Claude. Take a moment here if needed, especially if you see several options listed. You want to make sure you choose the correct connector for Jira access. Now click on Atlassian Rovo. This is the connector you'll use for this setup. Since Jira belongs to Atlassian, selecting this option is what begins the connection path between Claude and your Jira environment. After that, read the guide that appears and then click on Connect. The guide is important because it may explain permissions, access requirements, or what Claude will be able to do once the connection is active. Reviewing that information first can help you avoid setup issues and understand exactly what you're authorizing. Once you click Connect, you'll be moving into the final part of the integration process. Just follow any on-screen prompts that appear next, and that's it. You've now started connecting Claude AI to Jira through the Atlassian Rovo connector.